If you're still opening ChatGPT every time you need something done, you're already behind. That's not the future of AI, that's 2024. The real shift, it's not learning prompts, it's building systems that don't need you. Because the moment you have to tell AI what to do, every single time, you've become the bottleneck. Today, I'm going to show you how to move from using AI to building your first agentic AI system, the kind that actually works for you in 2026. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Prompts don't scale. They feel powerful at first, but they trap you in manual work. Every task becomes a loop. That's not leverage. That's dependency. At Wings AI, we see this all the time. Businesses think they're using AI, but they've just added another tool to manage. A prompt is an instruction. An agent is a system with a goal. Every real AI system comes down to three things. First, perception. This is how your agent sees the world. Emails, CRM data, Notion. Without context, it's useless. Second, reasoning. This is the brain. The model decides what matters and what action to take next. But it's still just a smart assistant waiting for instructions without the third pillar. Third, action. This is where everything changes. Your agent doesn't just suggest, it does. Sends emails, updates, CRMs, generates invoices. This is AI that works. Let's make this practical. Step 1. Define the mission. Don't start with tools, start with outcomes. Clarity creates automation. Step 2. Assign tools. Give your agent capabilities. Google Drive for docs, email for outputs. Think of this like hiring an employee. Step 3. Create the workflow. Stop thinking in tasks, start thinking in systems. This is exactly how we design workflows at Wings AI for consistent output. Step 4. Add a control loop. Don't let AI run wild. Define when it should act and when it should ask for approval. That's how you stay in control. The real opportunity is becoming someone who builds with AI. When you understand systems, you stop being a user and you become an architect. That's where real leverage lives. If you want to build systems like this, we help teams do exactly that at Wings AI. I've included our prompt and system library in the description to help you move to execution. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Because this shift, it's just getting started. I'll see you in the next one.